Google's free Gemini API just made it possible to build real-time website personalization without touching a $150 a month platform. Gemini can now take live visitor context, the ad they clicked, the search intent that brought them in, or the specific campaign they came from, and rewrite your landing page in real time to match exactly what they need to see. Personalized headlines, personalized calls to action, dynamically injected based on who just landed. And the entire workflow runs on Google's free developer API infrastructure. No subscription, no monthly seat fees, just pure leverage. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you the exact prompt structure that makes Gemini generate copy that sounds human enough to actually convert, not generic AI slop. You are going to want to stick around for that. I am Paul James. I build AI systems that make money without making me pay for expensive software first. If you got value from this already, here is what I want you to do. Drop a like and share this with someone who needs it. And if you want the complete system for turning tools like this into actual daily income, step by step, my daily deposit course is linked in the description. Normally $197, but viewers of this video get it for under $30. That pricing is only live for people coming from this video. So grab it while it is showing. Drop a comment and let me know if you are heading over to take me up on that. I want to see who is in. Here is the reality most people starting out hit immediately. You want to offer website personalization to clients. Maybe you are pitching a local law firm or a real estate agency. They have traffic, they have leads, but their landing page treats every visitor exactly the same. You know that personalized experiences convert higher. The problem is, every dedicated personalization platform charges $150 a month, and that is before you have signed your first client. You are supposed to eat that cost while you are still figuring out how to sell the service. That is the subscription tax. And it is funny, the tools that get pushed the hardest in this space always seem to have the biggest affiliate commissions behind them. Just something to think about. I know what that pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage trying to build something with no budget and no clients. A $150 monthly bill before the first invoice arrived was not something I could absorb. That is exactly why tools like Gemini matter. I call this the real-time visitor rewrite framework. Visitor intent data is captured from the URL or ad click and passed into Gemini, which rewrites the landing page copy based on what brought them to the site. Instead of creating dozens of separate landing pages for different campaigns, one single page automatically adapts to every incoming visitor. Here is how it works. A simple script captures the visitor's source and sends it to Gemini through the API. Gemini rewrites the headline and call to action based on that context. A business litigation visitor sees one message. A personal injury visitor sees another. Same page, different copy. Most personalization platforms lock this behind an expensive paid plan. Here, it is a free, lightning-fast API call. Now, here is what changes for someone offering lead generation services to local businesses. One landing page, real-time visitor rewriting powered by Gemini. Every visitor from a different campaign sees a version of your page that speaks directly to their pain point. That level of targeting used to require building separate landing pages for every niche or ad group you wanted to run. With this stack, it happens automatically, and the tool costs you $0 in software subscriptions. That is a $500 setup fee plus a monthly retainer built on free infrastructure. Let us keep building. Think about a contractor running paid ads. Instead of sending every visitor to the same generic landing page, Gemini rewrites the page based on which ad they clicked. Different traffic sources see different headlines and calls to action. You charge a setup fee and an ongoing retainer while avoiding the monthly cost of dedicated personalization software. Now, most people take what I just showed you and try to pitch it to a client immediately. That is where it falls apart. There is one configuration piece you have to lock in first, or the output reads like generic AI garbage. I am walking you through that right now. And listen, if you have not already grabbed the daily deposit course, do that now. It is linked in the description. Under $30 for viewers of this video instead of $197. That pricing is only live for people coming from this video. Drop a comment and let me know if you are heading over to grab it. I want to see who is taking action. And if you want to see what my day looks like now, that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. The configuration piece that makes this actually convert is the prompt template you feed into Gemini. Most people write a generic prompt that tells Gemini to personalize the headline. That produces copy that sounds like every other AI-generated landing page on the internet. The difference is specificity. Your prompt template needs to include example headlines for 3 different scenarios. It needs to tell Gemini the exact tone to use, conversational, not corporate. And it needs to give Gemini a strict character limit so the output fits inside your existing design without breaking the layout. Here's what that looks like in practice. A local HVAC company wants better conversion from their paid traffic. You set up the Gemini-powered rewrite workflow on their landing page. A visitor arrives from a Google search for emergency furnace repair. Gemini sees that context and rewrites the headline to say, "Emergency furnace repair in under 2 hours. We are dispatching now." The call to action changes from "request a quote" to "get a technician dispatched." Another visitor arrives from a Facebook ad about energy efficient upgrades. Same page, different headline. Save up to 40% on heating costs with a high efficiency system upgrade. The call to action shifts to schedule your free energy audit. The HVAC company does not touch anything. The workflow handles it. You charge them $300 for the setup and $50 a month to keep it running. The platform they would have paid for this charges $150 a month just to access the feature. That is web design as a service built on free infrastructure. Think about what changes when lead generation clients start asking you for this. A real estate agent running Facebook ads to different neighborhoods. You set up dynamic personalization so every visitor sees a headline tied to the neighborhood they clicked from. A chiropractor targeting different pain points in their Google ads. You build the rewrite workflow so back pain searchers see one version and migraine searchers see another. Same landing page, personalized experience, 0 recurring platform cost. Okay, I promised you something at the start of this video. Here it is. The prompt structure that actually makes Gemini output, copy that converts. This is the piece almost nobody gets right on their own. You need to include 3 elements in every prompt template. First, give Gemini 3 example headlines written in the exact style you want. Not instructions to write in that style, actual examples. Second, tell Gemini the maximum character count for the headline and the call to action. This keeps the output from breaking your layout. Third, include 1 sentence about the visitor's likely emotional state when they land. Are they researching? Are they in an emergency and ready to buy? That context changes how Gemini frames the copy. Those 3 elements are the difference between output that reads like a human wrote it and output that screams AI-generated garbage. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once you have this running in your stack. A local business owner asks if you can help them convert more of their paid traffic. You do not pitch them a 12-month SEO retainer. You show them dynamic landing page personalization powered by Gemini. Setup fee, small monthly retainer. Results start showing within a week. You are not managing their entire marketing strategy. You are solving one specific conversion problem with a workflow that costs you nothing to operate. And because the platform cost is 0, your margin on every client is pure profit after the first hour of setup work. Picture what changes when this is your default workflow for every web design or lead generation client. They bring you traffic. You bring them personalized experiences that convert higher. The tool handling the heavy lifting is free. The retainer you charge is yours to keep. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.